and they're off. Miss Narcissist outbreaking Court Dancer for the lead. Miss Narcissist taking charge early on as Court Dancer defers and is reined in to run back second by 2. And it's Champagne Ruby running in third now. Stargrazing on the far outside is fourth, followed by Canal 6 down toward the rail, and Daddy's Little Saint in between horses and trailing the field. So it's Miss Narcissist through a quarter, 23 seconds flat. Court Dancer up close now despite the restraint of Javier Castellano. Sitting Chile second, a half length behind the leader. And it's another length and a half. And then Champagne Ruby runs along in third, followed by Stargrazing fourth, Canal 6. And the trailer remains Daddy's Little Saint. Around the far turn here, it is still Miss Narcissist. Court Dancer ready to pounce after a 46-1 opening half mile. 3 lengths back to Champagne Ruby, is now giving her cue just outside the quarter pole. And down from the inside comes Canal 6, wide off the turn, Stargrazing as the field heads for home. It is still Miss Narcissist. Court Dancer has been given her cue, but Miss Narcissist has plenty left for the final furlong and pulls away. 3-5, Court Dancer took a run at her and was rejected. Miss Narcissist is the winner by 5 lengths on the line. Court Dancer clearly second best. Then Canal 6 and Stargrazing.